In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Made in Framer badge from your Framer website. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Framer dashboard. This is where all your design magic happens. Once you're in, open up the project for the website from which you wish to remove that badge. It helps if you have this page bookmarked or saved for quick access. When you're inside the project, you'll notice a settings icon at the top of the editor. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the Site Settings panel. Think of this panel as your central hub for customizing and enhancing the functionality of your website. Now, it's important to note that to remove the Made in Framer badge, you need to be on a paid plan. Free users, unfortunately, do not have this capability, so keep that in mind. With that information in hand, navigate over to the Plan section within the site settings. Here you'll encounter various options ranging from the Launch Plan to the Basic, Pro, and Scale plans. Examine these options carefully and choose the one that best fits your needs. Each plan comes with its own set of features and pricing, so make sure it aligns with your project's goals. Once you've made your decision, click on the Subscribe button to upgrade your plan. This step is crucial as it unlocks the ability to customize the branding elements on your site. After upgrading, return to your site settings. There, you'll find a section dedicated to branding. Here, you'll see the option for the Made in Framer badge with a toggle switch next to it. Simply flip the switch to the off position. This small action removes the badge and gives your website a cleaner, more professional look. The last step is to click the Publish button located at the top right corner of your website. Consider it the final seal of approval for all the changes you just made. After publishing, refresh your live site. You will see that the Made in Framer badge is no longer visible, giving your site a more polished appearance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's a quick and easy way to elevate the professionalism of your website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.